make sure people stay engaged with OKRs? I bet you've thought about that quite a bit. The answer is probably easier than you think, but often companies fail to follow through. Why? Because working with OKRs requires a change in culture, and that, my friends, takes time and persistence. So, before you kick off with this venture, ask yourself if your organization is truly ready and committed to making this change. But if you've decided to take the leap of faith, make sure you cover these basics. 1. Executive buy-in. Commitment from the leadership team will set the tone. If they don't commit, no one else will. Communicating progress on company OKRs every quarter, monthly status updates with management to recognize wins and risks will send the right message and will ensure everything continues to progress. 2. Training is essential. It's important that everyone understands the language and speaks it, so make sure to provide training to all users on methodology and terminology. This can be done in form of sessions and workshops or online courses, or a mixture of both. 3. Active contribution. Give your teams a voice. People involved in the operation have a different perspective and probably have a better sense of what things need to improve. So hear them out. There's more pride and interest when people help determine what's a priority and what needs to be done to achieve an objective. Encourage their development by allowing creativity. Let them suggest initiatives that they can both come up with and own. Now, repeat after me. Repetition is key. Help people adjust to this new way of working by creating a habit. Set up a routine for how often OKRs are updated and discussed. By integrating OKRs into existing meetings, it can naturally be a conversation starter. It provides an opportunity to promote collaboration, celebrate success, and learn. Incorporating OKRs this way will also help reduce the feeling that OKRs create extra work. The success of your OKR program depends on employee engagement, so it's a worthwhile investment.